Welcome to our first lesson of the Ethereum programming course. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain capable of executing smart contracts. If you are new to the subject, this sentence may not have helped and generated even more questions. Ethereum is a blockchain, but what is a blockchain? And what are smart contracts? This is not a blockchain course, but you will learn much about blockchains in this class and the following lectures. A blockchain is a distributed, decentralized system that maintains consistency using some consensus mechanism based on game theory. This is not a precise definition of a blockchain because the concept of a blockchain is broad and has been changing over time. However, for this course, that is a good enough definition. The fact that it is a distributed system means it is a fault-tolerant computer network. That is, some computers may fail for some reason, and the network still lives on. These failures can happen for two main reasons: either the computer loses connection to the network or simply leave the network, or the computers try to perform some malicious activity, such as cheating in some way. These issues should be handled by the consensus mechanism. To say that the consensus mechanism is based on game theory means that it predicts rewards and punishments for users. Reward if they act according to the rules of the game, and penalties if they try to act against the rules of the game. One way to classify blockchains is into those where users need or do not need permission to join the network. Generally speaking, such blockchains are either public or private. In this course, we are only interested in public blockchains, such as Ethereum, where anyone can participate in the network without asking permission. Ethereum was the brainchild of a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin. His idea was to create a blockchain capable of executing any business logic. Until then, existing blockchains had a single purpose or a limited class of purposes. If someone wanted to establish their own business logic with the security of a blockchain, they should create their own network. Vitalik took his idea to the Bitcoin developers, but it was too drastic a change to implement in the Bitcoin protocol. So, in 2013, Vitalik wrote a blueprint for a general-purpose blockchain that would act as a world computer. In 2014, an initial coin offering was launched. Anyone who had Bitcoins could exchange for Ethereum tokens, called Ether, for this new blockchain that would be established. They raised more than $15 million to create the new platform. In 2015, Ethereum was officially launched. Unlike Bitcoin, capable of running only a minimal script, Ethereum implements a virtual machine capable of running any program. In technical terms, the Ethereum virtual machine is Turing complete. These programs that run on the blockchain are called smart contracts. The name can be confusing because these contracts are neither legal nor smart. They are scripts executed from some human interaction. We can make an analogy of smart contracts as automatic vending machines. Vending machines are activated by a customer, who inserts money and chooses the item to be purchased. From this, a program calculates the amount received, whether it is enough to purchase the item and any change. This is the business logic of the machine. Similarly, a smart contract is activated by a blockchain user. Contracts can take money and have business logic. Just like vending machines, smart contracts cannot initiate an execution. They need to be activated, called by a user, through a transaction. In the next lesson we will study more about blockchains and smart contracts.